Mastering FSSC 22000. FSSC 22000's underlying principles are the secret to flawless food safety. Which fundamental principles underpin the FSSC 22000 standard, and how do these principles contribute to the achievement of operational excellence in ensuring the safety of food products throughout their entire life cycle? The FSSC 22000 standard is built on a set of fundamental principles that aim to ensure the safety of food products throughout their entire life cycle. These principles are rooted in the Codex Alimentarius Commission's guidelines on food safety and quality management, and they provide a robust framework for organizations to achieve operational excellence in the production, processing, and distribution of safe and wholesome food products. The first principle is the implementation of a food safety management system, FSMS, that aligns with the requirements of ISO 22000. This principle emphasizes the need for a structured approach to food safety management, which involves identifying hazards, assessing risks, and implementing controls to mitigate or eliminate them. By implementing an FSMS, organizations can ensure that food safety risks are proactively managed, and that controls are in place to prevent contamination, spoilage, and other food safety issues. The second principle is the application of good manufacturing practices, GMPs, and good hygiene practices, GHPs, throughout the entire food supply chain. GMPs and GHPs provide guidelines for ensuring the cleanliness, sanitation, and maintenance of facilities, equipment, and personnel involved in food production and handling. By adhering to these guidelines, organizations can minimize the risk of contamination and ensure that food products are produced in a clean and hygienic environment. The third principle is the establishment of hazard analysis and critical control points, HACP, plans that identify and control hazards in the food production process. HACP is a systematic approach to identifying, evaluating, and controlling hazards that can affect food safety. By implementing HACP plans, organizations can identify critical control points in the production process and implement controls to mitigate or eliminate hazards. The fourth principle is the implementation of a program for the control of prerequisite programs, which include controls for pests, sanitation, and personnel hygiene. Prerequisite programs provide a foundation for HACP plans by ensuring that the basic conditions for food safety are met. By implementing controls for pests, sanitation, and personnel hygiene, organizations can prevent contamination and ensure that food products are produced in a clean and safe environment. The fifth principle is the establishment of a testing and validation program to ensure that food safety controls are effective. This principle emphasizes the need for ongoing testing and validation of food safety controls to ensure that they are effective in preventing contamination and ensuring the safety of food products. The sixth principle is the implementation of a product recall and withdrawal program to ensure that food products are removed from the market in the event of a food safety issue. This principle emphasizes the need for organizations to have a plan in place to quickly and effectively recall or withdraw food products from the market in the event of a food safety issue. The seventh principle is the establishment of an incident management and continuous improvement program to ensure that food safety issues are investigated and corrective actions are implemented to prevent recurrence. This principle emphasizes the need for organizations to have a plan in place to investigate food safety incidents, identify root causes, and implement corrective actions to prevent recurrence. These fundamental principles of FSSC 22000 contribute to the achievement of operational excellence in ensuring the safety of food products throughout their entire life cycle by providing a robust framework for managing food safety risks, preventing contamination, and ensuring the production of safe and wholesome food products. By implementing these principles, organizations can ensure that food safety is integrated into every stage of the production process, from raw material sourcing to finished product delivery. Moreover, these principles facilitate the implementation of a culture of continuous improvement within organizations, where food safety is viewed as a critical component of operational excellence. By adopting a proactive approach to food safety management, organizations can identify areas for improvement, implement corrective actions, and continually monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of their food safety controls. In addition, the FSSC 22000 standard provides a framework for organizations to demonstrate their commitment to food safety and quality, and to communicate their food safety policies and objectives to stakeholders. This can help to build trust with customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders, and can provide a competitive advantage in the market. Overall, the FSSC 22000 standard provides a comprehensive framework for achieving operational excellence in food safety and quality management. By implementing the fundamental principles of the standard, organizations can ensure the production of safe and wholesome food products, minimize the risk of food safety issues, and build trust with stakeholders.